Here's a 2015 Audi A3. From the beautifully crafted exterior to the power and precision of the engine, this A3 is crafted to give you a luxury compact that makes a big impression. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Road and Track points out, inside the A3 sedan's cabin lives up to every expectation you might have based on prior experience in modern Audis. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.